The first 2022 LG OLED TVs have been leaked after being listed on the database of a Korean government agency that certifies telecommunications products. You can see here that there's a 48-inch and a 65-inch A2 OLED, as well as a 65-inch B2 OLED TV, and so it logically follows that LG's 2022 OLED televisions will be known as the A2, the B2, the C2, the G2, and so on and so forth. Drawing inspiration from the Korean model numbers listed on the database, I started searching for different model numbers and screen sizes on Google, and lo and behold, I stumbled upon a Google search result for an LG OLED 42C2KNA, which is the model number for a new 42-inch C2 OLED television. The domain name lge.co.korea actually leads to LG Electronics' official website in South Korea, and although the product shopping page for the 42-inch LG C2 has since been taken down, the all-seeing Google search engine managed to cache the page as early as on the 27th of September 2021. Now, using the powers of Google Translate, it's scary how much we depend on Google these days. You can see that users were invited to add to cart or leave a review. There's even a legit-looking SKU number, confirming that LG Electronics will definitely launch a 42-inch OLED television in 2022, at least in the C2 range. Experimenting with other screen sizes and model numbers, I also found a Google listing for an 83-inch G2 OLED, which is very interesting. As you may or may not know, the LG G1 Gallery Series OLED for 2021 topped out at a screen size of 77 inches, even though the 83-inch version of the step-down C1 OLED is also equipped with the latest, more efficient OLED panel from LG Display. According to LG Electronics, the reason the G1 was not available in 83 inches is because such a big screen size would compromise the flush-fit wall-mount design of the Gallery Series OLED. So it's certainly intriguing to find an 83-inch LG G2 for 2022, thanks to my ability to make educated guesses. As the saying goes, there are two kinds of people in this world: those who are good at guessing from existing data. With this in mind, here's a chart containing what we know so far about LG's 2022 4K OLED TV lineup, namely the A2, the B2, the C2, and the G2 series. Note that some of these features are just my predictions, but they are logical predictions, and so shouldn't be too far off when LG officially announced their 2022 TV lineup at CES. Just like the A1 series in 2021, I expect the LG A2 to be the entry-level OLED TV with a 60Hz refresh rate and only HDMI 2.0 ports, which is pitched towards movie lovers but not gamers. I don't expect to review the LG A1 on this channel at all, so I would be extremely interested to see how many of these slightly cheaper OLEDs LG has actually sold compared to the more popular C1 to warrant lining up a successor. The LG B2 should have 120Hz refresh rate and HDMI 2.1, but would be using a step-down processor compared to the C2. So our advice is to always go for the C series OLED if you can afford it, because over the years, we have seen LG Electronics prioritize its more advanced televisions in terms of adding new features via firmware updates. For example, the LG CX and GX received 4K 120Hz Dolby Vision functionality through a firmware update recently, but the BX was excluded. The LG C2 is likely to be the best-selling OLED TV in 2022, especially with the addition of a smaller 42-inch model, which is probably going to be extremely popular with gamers, as well as those of you who don't have the space to accommodate even a 48-inch OLED TV. The 42-inch C2 will be the smallest WRGB OLED TV yet, delivering the highest PPI or pixels per inch, which permits sharper text for desktop use, assuming you can look past the likely higher risk of OLED burn-in when used as a PC monitor, of course. Unless LG springs a surprise, the company's flagship 4K OLED for 2022 should be the G2 Gallery series, including a new, larger 83-inch screen size. The LG G2 should again feature the company's EVO technology to achieve higher peak brightness than conventional OLED panels. One key question is whether LG will implement a heatsink on the G2 to compete with Sony's flagship 4K OLEDs. In 2021, the Sony A90J is the only OLED to boast the magic combination of both the more efficient, brighter OLED panel and a metallic heatsink. The LG G1 and the Philips 936 have the more efficient, brighter OLED panel but not a heatsink, whereas the Panasonic JZ2000 has the heatsink, but not the more efficient OLED panel. Of course, we will find out more information when LG officially launch their 2022 OLED televisions at CES. But in the meantime, should you buy a newly launched TV or settle for an older model? Well, it just so happens I've done a video about that very topic, so go watch it here.